Hi guys, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Lite, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial numbers. So at first, open your phone dealer, go to keypad, and enter a secret code, which is *pound or £6. And here you've got device information, where you can find both IMEI and serial numbers. Tap on OK to exit then. And now if you wish to find it via settings, just open the settings at first, then click on About Phone, and then select All Specification. Here you will be able to find IMEI number under Status, so right here you've got both IMEI numbers, and then if you tap on Model, you can read serial number as well. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.